It's not one fear we have. We have a cluster of all things, of triggers that can make us fear. Fear is very different to worry. Worry is powered by old story. It's like nearly like the ancestors, kind of like gnawing at you, making it's like a swamp of worry. Fear is like someone coming with an icicle wanting to poke your eye out. It's like the future coming at you. It's not even being here. It's like right in front of you. Fear is in front of you. You're afraid to move forward, but it's hard and facing towards you. It's like daggers towards you. So if you run, you're gonna just get speared, like in javelins. So what do? You stop. You try not to move. Maybe I can navigate myself really slowly through. Maybe. But maybe I just stay here, it's nice and safe. If I don't move, if I do nothing, no one can judge nothing. I can't do anything wrong if I don't do anything. Frozenness.